Okay, thank you for your introduction. So I will be talking about high-throughput photoluminescence-based optical inspection. I'm from Semilab, so let me give you first a brief introduction about Semilab. So Semilab is a metrology equipment manufacturing company. We are headquartered in Hungary, Budapest. We have many different product lines, like over 40, for different markets. The main market of us is semiconductor, but we also have tools for photovoltaic display and also laboratory equipment for materials science. So after this short introduction, let me continue with my presentation. So I will be talking about 3 points today. First, I'd like to talk about what are the challenges of microLED inspection. Then I'd like to introduce our tool for solving these inspection challenges called Lumipix 3000. Then I'd like to go through some solutions we implemented to support microLED characterization with high throughput. Let's start with microLEDs. So as you know, the display industry is always driving for a decreasing microLED size. So when we're talking about traditional LEDs, we usually have device sizes ranging from a few hundred micrometers to millimeter sizes, but with microLEDs, we are talking about typical size of under 50 micron, or even nowadays we are below 10 micron, even approaching 1 micron. And we are seeing that microLED industry is currently at its trying to start volume manufacturing, but to start high volume manufacturing, you need to achieve a high yield. And to control the yield, one important aspect is to measure actually the LEDs. So there is a need for a fast and accurate inspection methodology for microLED characterization. So let's talk about the challenges. What does it take to measure microLEDs for an inspection methodology? If we look at a simple example, let's say we have an 8-inch wafer with 1 millimeter pitched LEDs, so these, let's say, traditional sized LEDs. Then we are talking about the number of LEDs in the tens of thousands. But if we are going towards microLEDs, and let's take a 5 micron pitched LEDs, then this number increases to around 1 billion. And even then, we have to, an inspection methodology has to provide data for every LED. And we can see that even the industry is driving for even smaller LEDs. So we've seen in previous presentations about 1 micron or even below 1 micron LEDs. And eventually maybe going towards 12-inch wafers, which would increase even more the number of LEDs per wafer. So for inspection standpoint, we are seeing that if we want to measure or give a result about a wafer, we should report the emission wavelength and intensity for every LED. And this is quite a stringent requirement for an inspection methodology. Now, I'd like to compare the 2 main characterization techniques used in functional inspection, photoluminescence, which is my main topic today, with electroluminescence. So if we are thinking about throughput, usually we can say that photoluminescence has an edge because it's non-contact, so it offers high throughput. But electroluminescence is usually slower because it needs some contacts. Even with special contact cards, it is usually slower. And especially when we are decreasing the LED size, so when we are going towards the micron range, the 1-2 micron range, Then with photoluminescence, it's really the matter of optical resolution.